Hey everyone, welcome back. This Disney Plus randomly close made episode and dump you straight back to your home screen with no error messages at all. Here's the fix. This kind of silent, unexplained close is almost always memory issue rather than anything wrong with the show itself. First, force close every other app in your recent app list before starting an episode, since Disney Plus needs available memory to stream videos smoothly and gets force closed by the system when memory runs low. Go to your settings, then go to General. Scroll down for iPhone storage and free up space since slow storage adds extra strain that leads to these random closures. Go to settings again, go back and go to background app refresh and turn it off for the apps you do not use or you do not need running, freeing up more memory for Disney Plus. If the app keeps closing randomly, then restart your iPhone completely before next viewing session since a full restart clears memory buildup and is one of the most effective fix for this exact symptom. So all you gotta do is close background apps, free up storage, turn off background app, refresh, and restart your iPhone. Disney Plus stays open through your show, and that's it. Subscribe.